An increase in the production of solid wastes arising with the population increase, industrialization, and rapidly increasing and differentiating consumption habits has become one of the most important environmental problems today due to their negative effects on both the environment and human health. Adopting an integral approach in producing genuine solutions on environmental management, since it was founded, Istac establishes and operates sanitary landfills that meet with international standards. By taking into account various parameters, including geographical location, geological and hydrogeological data, and dominant wind direction into consideration, Istac has established sanitary landfills which are designed to have a minimum impact on the environment. The municipal wastes arising in the European and Asian sides of Istanbul are disposed in 3 sanitary landfill sites. In order to prevent leachate from rising during waste disposal, which can pollute underground water reserves, an impermeable layer is applied at the base of the landfill site. 50 centimeters of clay, a high-density polyethylene membrane, and finally a geotextile fabric is applied to the field, which has been leveled by removing excavations. The leachate is then drained through leachate collection pipes into a 50-centimeter gravel layer placed in the area specifically for collecting the leachate. Gas collection wells with an impact diameter of 50 meters are placed in the landfill to collect gases, which rises right after the landfill infrastructure is completed. The landfills are prepared to receive waste by opening the beltways, waste disposal platforms, and trenches, thus ensuring that surface water flows without entering the landfill. Municipal wastes collected from the districts are transported to the transfer stations and transferred to sanitary landfills with larger capacity vehicles. This reduces the transfer costs as well as contributes to the economy and environment. Waste products are transported to these sanitary landfills and are dispatched to the landfill after radiation measurement and weighing. These sanitary landfills are recognized among the biggest facilities in the world in terms of capacity and provide uninterrupted service 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The environmental controls required at these landfills, where all measurement and testing is completed, including leachate and gas management, are carried out by our expert staff. Leachate containing high pollution loads in terms of COD, BOD, nitrogen, and suspended solids is taken away from the landfill area through collection pipes. The leachate arriving in the collection pools is subjected to pre-sedimentation, then upgraded for transfer to biological treatment. Nitrification, denitrification, and ultrafiltration occurs in the membrane bioreactor, where the biological treatment of carbon and nitrogen compounds is carried out. Following biological treatment, suspended solids and COD are removed in the ultrafiltration unit. This is achieved with cross-flow through a 30 nanomicron pore diameter. After ultrafiltration, organic micropollutants, COD, heavy metals, humic acids, and pathogens such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses, etc., as well as color, are removed in a 1 nanomicron diameter spiral wound nanofiltration unit, and the required exit water quality is obtained. Membrane bioreactor and nanofiltration technology has been used for the first time in Turkey by Istac for the treatment of leachate. The treated leachate is then discharged into the channel on the European side and released into the environment on the Asian side according to stream discharge criteria. it is necessary to collect and control landfill gas due to its possible effects on global warming, odor occurrence, explosion, and fire risks. It is also possible to use this gas as an alternative energy resource. Any gas not used in this way will be disposed of using techniques that are in accordance with optimal environmental health. Landfill gases are extracted from the wells at sanitary landfills using vacuums and are then taken to energy production facilities through collectors. At these facilities, the landfill gases are then burned in internal combustion engines and converted into mechanical energy and electrical energy. Istac uses the landfill gas from the Odayeri sanitary landfill to produce energy for the European side, and gas from the Kumurgyoda sanitary landfill to produce energy for the Asian side. These facilities, which started operations in 2008, produce 34 megawatts of energy per hour and can meet the household electricity needs of a city with a population of 800,000. Through their design, construction, and operation of these sanitary landfills, Istac sets a new standard of excellence for the municipalities throughout Turkey and around the world. With over 20 years of experience in the design, construction, and management of sanitary landfills, Istac has become a global leader, building a facility that is recognized as one of the biggest in the world in terms of capacity, and which receives more than 2,500 visitors on average per year. With an innovative and dynamic staff devoted to the environment, Istac offers its technical knowledge and infrastructure to provide results-oriented solutions for local administrations throughout Turkey and the world. We are providing sustainable solutions for environmental quality for both our customers today and for generations to come. We are Istac. We protect your environment.